Today marks the biggest milestone in the history of Cordoval. After months of designing, rebranding, and refining, we're incredibly excited to officially announce Cordoval 8.0 is now live. This isn't just another update with a few new features. This is a complete evolution of the platform. We've reimagined what a modern business operating system should feel like, stripped away the unnecessary complexity, and built something that's faster, cleaner, and more private than ever before. Whether you're already using Cordoval or discovering it for the first time, this release represents the future of the platform, and we can't wait for you to experience it. When we first started building Cordoval, the vision was simple. We wanted to create a place where entrepreneurs could plan, build, market, and grow their business without consistently jumping between dozens of different apps. Over time, we've added more tools, more features, and more ideas. But eventually, we realized something important. The best software isn't the software with the most features, it's the software that gets out of your way. Too many business tools today are filled with clutter, endless menus, and unnecessary complexity. Instead of helping you stay productive, they consistently compete for your attention. So when we started designing Cordoval 8.0, we challenged ourselves to rethink everything from the ground up. The result is the biggest update we've ever released. One of the first things you'll notice is that Cordoval now feels like a true operating system running inside your browser. The entire platform has been rebuilt into one clean, unified workspace where everything flows together naturally. Switching between different parts of the platform is instant. Your workspace stays exactly where you left it, and everything feels smoother, faster, and more responsive. We've also completely redesigned the interface. Every panel, every layout, and every interaction has been refined to remove distractions and help you focus on what actually matters. That's cleaner layouts, better navigation, a modern glass-inspired design, less visual noise, and more productivity. But Cordoval 8.0 is about much more than a new design. Today, we're introducing a few new things. First up is Cordoval Play. Is an exciting new experience built directly into Cordoval. It's a local-first economic sandbox where you can experiment with business growth, investing, and wealth building in a completely risk-free environment. Build business portfolios, grow property investments, trade virtual stock markets, invest in fixed returned assets like bonds. Watch your simulated businesses generate passive income over time while you work. Even when you close your browser, your progress continues through our offline simulation process so that when you return, your virtual economy has continued moving forward. It's designed to make learning about business and investing more engaging and interactive and far more accessible. We're also introducing the Cordoval cast. Instead of leaving your workspace every time you want to listen to a podcast, Cordoval now includes a built-in podcast hub. Listen while you work, discover new creators, stay productive without consistently switching between different applications. Everything stays together inside one unified experience. With this release, the entire platform has been simplified into three core modules: Work, your productivity, planning, and business workspace; Play, your business and investment simulation environment; Cast, your integrated podcast experience. This is three modules, one platform, and one vision. Privacy has always remained at the center of everything we built. Most software today relies on cloud servers, accounts, subscriptions, and constant data collection. Cordoval takes a different approach. The platform is built using local first technology, meaning your data stays on your device wherever possible. There are no mandatory accounts before you can get started, no unnecessary tracking, No waiting for remote servers to catch up, because everything runs directly in your browser. The experience feels incredibly fast while giving you far greater control over your own data. We also know that business no longer happens only behind a desk. That's why Cordoval 8.0 has been fully optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Whether you're working from your office, traveling, or managing your business on your phone, your experience has been redesigned to feel natural across every single screen size. Looking back, it's incredible to see how far Cordoval has come. Every version has taught us something. Every update has brought us closer to the vision we had since day one. Cordoval 8.0 is the biggest step we've ever taken towards that vision. It's faster, it's cleaner, it's simpler, it's more private, and most importantly, it's built to help entrepreneurs spend less time managing software and more time building great businesses. But this isn't the finish line, it's just the beginning. We're incredibly excited about what's coming next, and we want to thank everyone who supported Cordoval throughout this journey. Every piece of feedback, every feature request, and every person who has believed in our vision has helped shape the platform into what it is today. If you haven't tried Cordoval yet, there's never been a better time, because building a business shouldn't mean juggling endless tools and subscriptions. This is why we built Cordoval, the free business operating system where you can plan, build, market, and grow your business. Experience Cordoval 8.0 today at cordoval.work. That's cordoval.work. Welcome to the future of business software.